What's up, guys? I did not have a video planned this week, so what I'm going to be doing today is showing you guys how to pretend to be a hacker. I mean, come on, ever since I was a kid, I thought being a hacker was super cool, hacking into the mainframe, knowing what you're doing, and being like a dangerous, super cool hacker. And there was always a couple things that I used to do as a kid that made me look like I knew what I was doing, but in reality, it was not really anything at all. Well, the first thing that you can do to show off to your friends or whatever is hacktyper.net. It basically types everything for you. So right now I am just hitting random keys on my keyboard. So yeah, this is definitely going to be a filler episode. I swear I'll have something planned next week, but it's kind of cool, I guess, if you want to show off, pretend you're a hacker. Look at that, I'm typing n blocks in atom set underscore and else if I'm coding. I mean, it actually looks like some Python scripts, I guess, which just in green text. But again, if you want to show off to your friends, hackertyper.net is where you want to go and then just play around with it. I guess it's still kind of fun. Oh, it even has an option though. If you want to become a real hacker, IT fundamentals of cybersecurity. Okay, this is what we'll do next week. We'll talk more about this stuff, but you know, just wanted to make a quick video showing you this. All right, the next thing that you can do that is somewhat cool is if you open up CMD, this is a bit of a higher level thing, I would say, a little bit more hackery. And then if you type cd ... that's gonna take you to your main directory. And then you're gonna type the command tree. Oh, actually, before you do that, never mind, wait. This was a very well thought out video, guys, trust me. You type color 02 and that's gonna give you that cool hacker black and green look, and then you type tree, and that's basically gonna list out all your directories. So I'm gonna show you a snippet of this, but I'm not gonna show you everything. And basically it looks like you're hacking. Wow, so cool, look at all these directories I'm hacking into. Alright, finally this delves more into actual hacking or cybersecurity territory. And you can use this more of as like a magic trick, I guess. Well, basically you just put in the email address, your email address ideally, or if you want to help out a friend, you can put that email address here, and you can be like, hey yo, did you sign up with Betterment or Instagram or any of these a couple years ago? Well, your data has been breached, including dates of birth, display names, email addresses, physical addresses. This is generally a good cybersecurity tool to use for yourself, and it's super easy. You don't need any technical expertise. So I guess this is less pretending and more delving into, you know, this is a good thing to check out that you should be aware of. But yeah, those are some tools I used to play around with as a kid and kind of pretend I was a hacker. I was doing really well in terms of like posting every week, so I wanted to stick to that even though I was gonna make a half-baked video. Next week, though, I wanted to make an actually interesting video using John the Ripper in terms of decrypting passwords and keys and whatever. So make sure to like and subscribe if you found this somewhat entertaining, and hopefully I'll be making that video next week. Yeah, peace.